What's going on, everybody? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Just wanted to give a update for one of our channel that we actually started not that long ago, and just wanted to give an update on it. And pretty much I'll hopefully you can actually see the actual screen. So I don't know if any of you are actually following me on Instagram. I literally just dropped this yesterday or 2 days ago, I believe. And this is a shorts based channel that we literally started. And pretty much, as you can see, this is when we uploaded the video. Did the update on the channel. So had about 17 million views, and pretty much you can see with the 17 million views, this is how much we actually were able to make. So 3.2 million per day on the views, and in the last 28 days it made about $500, right? So nothing fancy, but literally like today on the same channel we actually hit about $1,200 in the last 28 days and hit about $660 in a day. Okay, so this channel is actually projected to hit like over $1,000 on a continuous basis, because what we actually also doing on this channel, we actually duplicating a lot of other different channels in the same niche, right? So I believe yesterday when we did the update, had about, I think, 9,000 subscribers, but as you can see, this jumped like from 9,000 to about close to about 20,000. Like currently now on that channel, it's got like I think about 22,000 subscribers and increasing like very, very crazy, So just wanted to give update, and pretty much all I'll say in this video is maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be doing a second update on the channel. Should be able to hit about $2,000 in the last 28 days. Keeping in mind, like this channel we started organically, like we didn't send any bots or anything like that. This is all organic views, and it's just being pushed by YouTube like crazy, So, and this is a shorts based channel, and like if you have watched my previous videos, we don't we're not talking about shorts, like, but recently I think from like 7 or 8 or 9 months back, I've recently started creating like shorts channel, and we've been getting like some good returns from this style of channels, So if you're actually sitting on the sideline thinking like, what gurus should I be following, which course is the right one, or like what you should do, right? Because there's like a lot of information that out there, and like a lot of people actually telling like wrong information. They're not giving like what it is actually required to build this style of channel, right? And like even me, like when I started in the beginning, I was struggling with my channels. I didn't know what to do, like, I was choosing the wrong niche. So the first thing you have to do is choose the right niche, see if there's any demand for it, if like there's no, should be less competition, so that way I can dominate in that niche. And then another thing, you gotta be knowing how to actually automate this style of channels, right? You need to know what style of people or what kind of people to hire for your channel, who can actually create the videos, upload on your channel, so that way you can have the full automated income from this channel, right? Because end of the day, like, that's our goal, to make as much money as possible from this style of channel, right? And yeah, so you can see the update. But any of you who are actually just still stuck, don't know where to start, I actually did a full training on my channel. So if you go to playlist, you can just watch, I believe, this $10,000 YouTube training. You're gonna be watching that. And also you can see interviews that I actually did with all of my students. I'll also be bringing in a lot of more other clients which I've actually been working on. They're hitting like somewhere between like $5,000 to $10,000 on a monthly basis. So I'll be reaching out to them and also bringing them on my channel, and we're gonna be doing like a whole interview with them, right? So, and also the channel that I shared, this is the channel that we also selling. So if you just don't know where to start, and you just want to get started and start earning passive income, you can just reach out to me. I'll leave a link for my Facebook. You can reach out to me, and then we can chat in there. God bless, and I'll talk to you soon. God bless. Bye.